Do-it-yourself dough, and we've got some avocado spread on toast. And we're going to check that out. Normally I have maybe occasionally some guacamole sauce. Well, this sort of looks like it, but it's something different, so let's see how it goes taste-wise. Let's see how it goes. This isn't too bad. I wasn't expecting me to like this, but here's the kind of the package there. And again, it's avocado spread, and this toast, it's rye toast, rye bread toast. So this is pretty good, and it's on there kind of thick too. So there's a lot of the sauce taken, the spread taken out of the container. So it's not enough to kill the taste of the rye bread, but it's, I think maybe as an alternative to the avocado sauce, or maybe just as trying something different for a change, I think this is pretty good. This is pretty, I didn't even know about this. And it doesn't involve the avocado, you know, any slicing up with a knife or anything with that. This is already put together for you. And looking around here, what was I going to wash this down with? Where is that? If that doesn't get here soon, I'm going to start eating the rest of this. Okay. So this is a smoothie, and could we have the package? Oh, this is this? Mm-hmm. Oh, I wasn't. Health Aid Kombucha? Well, I was expecting the smoothie we had set up, but this is a surprise to me. So I don't know. This looks like medicine or something, but calories 70. Well, I think this looks better than the package, but this is also, it's carbonated. It's kind of a surprise. So Health Aid, so maybe it is sort of like medicine designed to cure something. And here we got blood orange, carrot, and ginger. So maybe that's the reason for the dark, that's glass too, isn't it? That's a glass bottle there. And maybe that's the reason for it, to keep the ingredients. So what is this supposed to cure? I'm doing pretty well on my toast and avocado spread, and I didn't think I'd be washing it down with anything powerful. But there are some items there.
Yeah, detoxifying acid, natural antibiotics, living probiotics, cold pressed juice. It helps clean out your gut and better digestive.
Okay, the probiotics are for in case you're sick and you've taken antibiotics, and it wipes out the good bacteria with the bad bacteria. But the probiotics will put it back, and then the antibiotics here, so yeah, this is medicinal in case you have problems, and this is kind of cool. You can't. It's a lot cheaper than going to a doctor and paying an office charge, which they seem to, like everything else, the prices seem to rise. And this might be, say if it's a weekend or you can't get to see a doctor, or maybe you don't want to go to a clinic or something, and you got something ailing you. I can't say specifically what this does, but I would maybe give a little bit of this a chance. And here's Here's the paragraph there on it. But this stuff does pack a wallop, and normally I was intending on having a smoothie with the toast and the avocado spread. So these are sort of two dissimilar items for different purposes. But I think this could have its use. Just as my initial thoughts and remarks on this item, it could have its place.
Oh, here's a smoothie.
Ah, here's my smoothie. Now, that means I have to drink the rest of this medicine to get to the smoothie, right? Like I said, it's extremely carbonated. It's extremely bitter, and they ought to get the guy who's going to be the next James Bond and have him drink a little of this stuff, see how tough he is. Maybe throw in a little bit of apple cider vinegar on top of it. So here we got the sugar content of this is high already, but there's no added sugars, and it's 130 calories. And what's unusual, their sample size here is 11 ounces. Usually it's 8. But there are no surprises here. There is a little bit of surprise here. There's a lot of vitamin A in this product, a lot of vitamin A, and I'm not sure how to open it. I think this gets broken or peeled or something. So we'll try it that way. And let's see if we can get that. There it is. That opened up pretty easy. I should probably shake this before we do anything. Okay. And let's see, I don't see any fancy things. It's a little bit different cap, but it doesn't pop open or anything like that. It's sealed. Fingers slipping. There, we got it. Let's see what this is like. So it's a little bit thicker looking, in keeping with what a smoothie should be. And yes, this has got a smoothie consistency, and what do we got? Mango, pineapple. So those are a couple of interesting flavors. You can taste the pineapple, and I don't have mangoes often, but I suppose you could probably, if you had a taste for mangoes, you could probably taste that in here as well. So yeah, this is outstanding, and I have a little more of that. So this going with the rye bread toast and the avocado spread. That's what I was planning on, so that we put that medicine in between them. That wonderful tasting medicine. This is wonderful tasting too.